Yep, there, yep. Bear wolf. Yep.
Oh my god, that shit looks so bad.
That shit
God,
looks,
it looks so
it's
bad.
a disaster.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back, you guys. If you're new, hit that subscribe button down below, join the family, become a part of the AP squad. You know you want to. All right, today I have 7 tips for you, what they do not tell you about rice water. Girl, you know that rice water definitely helps your hair, but there's so many things that come with doing it. You get to learn trial and error, what's good, what's bad, what you need to do more of or less of. So let's get into it. Also, I have a review about Maui Moisture, which is my new favorite moisturizer, deep conditioner, after wash day stuff. So I'll do a little review on that too during the video. So let's get to it. All right, so number 1 for you guys, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Okay, I know that you heard this before. For your curls regularly is just to moisturize, duh, obviously. But with rice water, here's mine in its bottle, everything. My rice water with peppermint oil. It dries your hair out very, very badly. I mean, like, as soon as you do your massage routine for your scalp, as soon as it dries, your hair feels like straw or hay or whatever you want to call it. It's very dry. So my first tip is to moisturize it daily. When you use rice water, you definitely have to moisturize. So I like to use argan oil as soon as I do my rice water every night. I will do all my massaging and get it in there and then let it dry for a little bit, maybe a few minutes. And then I go right in with my coconut, my argan oil straight to my scalp, to my roots, and I massage that into so that my hair does not feel dry or get dry. So number 2 is it smells very bad. So basically when you ferment something, that means it's growing bacteria, and the more you grow bacteria, it's going to smell. That basically is why there are bad smells. So for me, in my coconut water, why do I keep saying coconut water? Rice water, I put peppermint oil so that it doesn't smell that bad. And it tends to help a lot because the shit stinks. Number 3. For number 3, put your rice water in the fridge after you're done using it, because the longer you let it sit out, the more the bacteria is gonna grow and grow and grow and grow, and it's gonna make the water smell very bad. And then when you put it in your hair, it's also gonna smell bad. So by putting it in the fridge at nighttime after you're done, it will decrease the growth of the bacteria. Good lesson for you. Number 4, detangler is your best friend. So when you go do your rice water and you are massaging your scalp and all of that, your roots in probably about the next 3 inches or so get very, very tangled, and your hair becomes basically thicker and thicker right at your roots, and it makes your hair look bad and everything. So detangler is your best friend. Even for my walks, I try to make my hair look at least presentable, like I'm not a freaking homeless person living inside my house. I do put detangler in so that my hair looks a little bit better and relaxes, so that I can make it more manageable. So detangler, guys, get some detangler. Number 5, if you guys do not feel a tingling sensation or a little bit of warmth after you do your head massage, you are not doing it correctly. Not at all. You must feel this tingling sensation, probably a little bit of warmth. That's how you know that you are getting that really good blood circulation to your scalp and to your hair follicles up here, so that they can be stimulated to grow. So make sure you definitely use your finger pads when you're massaging, and do it kind of vigorously. You should probably feel it in your hands and a little bit in your arms from being up there for so long. Okay, number 6, make sure you hydrate your body. Drink water, guys. This is so important because your body works great when you are hydrated, and your hair loves the water. It's like a thirst quench for your hair. And since rice water makes it dry, drinking more water will help it even more. Number 7, the last one and very not the least one, consistency is key, guys. You have to do this often. And if you're like me and your body gets used to things very quickly, change it up a little bit. My hair, my body gets used to things very fast, so I have to change it often. So for me, when I did my rice water, I did it for about a good 45 days straight. There's a few mishaps, you know, in there, it happens. So about 45 days in my hair, I felt like I didn't see any more progress. It was going back to blah. And so I stopped for about, I want to say maybe 10 days. And when I did, I didn't stop the scalp massage or anything like that. I just stopped the rice water process because it does dry your hair out. My body does get used to things. So even when I did still massage my scalp, I used my growth oil, Wild Grow. This is my favorite growth oil to use. And I felt like it very much moisturized my scalp again and my roots, and, you know, did boost it a little bit, did a little bit of extra. My head felt nice and soft, or my hair felt nice and soft and moisturized, and I was still getting that massaging motion in, so I still feel like my hair got a little bit of boost and a little bit of growth to it. I can tell the difference so far. I need to measure it again, but I'll do that for you guys in another video. Going. Oh, I'm wearing my swimsuit so that I can show you what I do in the shower and how I wash it, how I condition it, everything, because right now it looks crazy and it looks like a hot ass mess. So let's go fix that. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to condition it with the Maui Moisture. So you guys just saw that I did my hair, I washed it, scrubbed it out with my little brush. I'll link that down below. And I used my new favorite deep conditioning hair mask by Maui Moisture. This is my new favorite because the first ingredient is actually aloe juice. It's not water, which I was extremely surprised about because almost every hydrating cream out there for curly hair is water, but this one is aloe, so I had to try it. My other favorite thing about it is that it has no silicones, no parabens, no gluten, no SLS, no sulfated surfactants, no synthetic dye. Yes, it's vegan. Yes, it's eco-friendly. Yes, pure coconut water, and yes, pure aloe. So this thing is very, very pure. I love it. It's so good, and it is for dry, damaged hair, which is basically what happens to your hair after rice water. You get dry, very, very dry. So this is a thirst quench. And then after you do the deep conditioner, when you go to style it or do your leave-in, I also have my other Maui Moisture coconut curling creams. These are very good. They make your hair look very, very curly and very healthy, and loved, to say the least. At least that's how I feel with these. And these are for thick curly hair. Now I wouldn't say my hair is very thick, but I love the way it feels. I love the way that this works on it. So I would try these out, guys. I would say these are excellent choice if your hair is dry or you need something new to change it up a little bit. I love these. Also, let me know if you guys would like these as a giveaway. I can always do a giveaway. I got these from Amazon, so I'll link them down below too. And just let me know. I would love to give you guys some free stuff for joining, for, you know, becoming part of the family. I love you guys. Okay, you guys, let's talk about these eye bags for a second real quick. So these, you know, right here, they've been looking real rough lately. I super stressed out with nursing school, so I get very little sleep, and all day long I am in lecture, in clinicals, and then after I need to read and study. And okay, enough. Just tell me how to get rid of these. Please comment below and tell me how to get rid of these. I've tried a cold spoon. I've tried the tea bags. Is there anything else that I could do? Please help me, guys. I love you. Late night Taco Bell run with baby.